Hey guys, this is Shumon here, and in this video I'm going to help you to learn HTML table. Okay, so without further delay, let's begin. So firstly I'm going to drag and drop the folder inside my VS Code. So I just drag and drop the folder inside my VS Code. Now I'm going to create a file that is index.html. Okay. Okay. Now inside the index.html I am going to generate the dummy code via my VS Code keyboard shortcut. Okay. Now I'm going to change the document to HTML table. Okay. So this is I just changed document to HTML table tutorial. Now inside the body tag I'm just going to create a table. Okay, so I just created table, and now I'm going to inside the table I'm going to create a TA head. So TA head means table heading, and now inside the TL label I'm going to create TR. So inside the TR I'm going to create TD. So if you don't know the meaning of the TR, TD, T head, don't worry, I will make step-by-step tutorial on my channel. So from there you will be learn everything. Okay, so you have to do just follow my channel. So this is the table for my school project. So I just duplicate the TD via my keyboard shortcut, just pressing Alt key and just pressing Shift Alt and then down arrow key. Okay, so I'm just going to change all the name here. So at first I just gave it a name, that is name, then role, then subject, then marks. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to copy paste this whole code beneath T head. I'm going to copy this multiple time. Okay, so now I'm going to just apply CSS to HTML table. Okay guys, so now I'm going to open my whole project with VS Code live server. Okay, the document is open. Now I'm going to apply CSS to my table. Okay, so just keep watching and you will learn everything. Okay guys, so now I'm going to apply CSS to my whole code. Okay, one thing note guys, that I'm not going to apply any external style sheet because this will be really advanced. So I know you are beginner, so that's why you are watching the tutorial. Okay guys, I'm just going to catch my table tag on my CSS file. Okay, so now I'm going to catch the now I'm going to set the border 1 pixel solid red. Okay guys, so now let's see the output. So as you can see guys, my table is just bounded by the border. Okay, now I'm going to give the border to all the table data and table row. Okay, okay guys, now I'm going to catch the TD. Okay guys, so the problem is that all the table border are double, so we have to fix this. Don't worry, I will explain you step by step. So for this we have to give that we have to set the collapse to the table. So it is collapse. Don't worry, I'll show you in a second. Okay, so I'm going to just write some code here, border collapse, and we have to input this collapse. Okay guys, now let's see the output. So guys, as you can see guys, that the table is really amazing and beautiful. No, just I'm just kidding you. So the table this is how we make table in HTML. Okay. Okay guys, so that's it for today's tutorial. So I will make more video on HTML CSS and whole web development and software engineering. So don't worry guys, uh, just write the code as I written on my VS Code this project. Okay, so thank you guys, I will see you in the next video.